Ready to unlock a world where your Discord photos transform into breathtaking works of art? First, make sure you're in a Discord server where Midjourney is active. You'll need to either join the official Midjourney server or add the Midjourney bot to your own. Now, type /imagine followed by a description of what you want to create. Be as specific or as abstract as you like. For example, type, "Imagine a cat wearing a crown in space" in the prompt box and hit enter. Midjourney will then begin generating for variations based on your prompt. It will take around a minute for Midjourney to generate the images. You will then be presented with 4 variations. Below the images, you'll see buttons labeled U1 through U4, which upscale the corresponding image, and V1 through V4, which create variations similar to the corresponding image. So, if you like the first image, click U1 to get a larger version. See that? Clicking U1 gives us a higher resolution version of the first image that we can now save and use wherever we like. You can also experiment with different styles by adding keywords to your prompts, such as color pop, black and white, sketch style, or pixel art. And that's it. You're now ready to transform your imagination into reality using Midjourney on Discord. So, go ahead and unleash your creativity.